In this video, I will be covering managing staging users. Your staging users is your predefined list of users in an organization who are set up to preview and approve content prior to it being promoted to live to the rest of the organization. This list can be managed within the admin tool as follows. If you click on Settings, the first icon says Manage Staging Users. The Manage Staging Users screen is going to open. In this screen, you are going to see the users that have been predefined as staging users listed in this grid. By clicking on the Machines tab, you will also see if there have been any machines that have been listed in this grid. This list of people are the people that would receive the CLA content when it is set up in your staging environment before you have promoted it to live. So in essence, these are the people that would be receiving the content to approve and make changes if necessary. So by clicking on Settings and Manage Staging Users, you would be presented with a list. To start with, if any of these users are no longer required to be previewers of content, so perhaps they've left the organization, or maybe they were set up as temporary staging users during a certain campaign. If you would like to remove an administrator from this list or a user from this list, you would click onto the name in the list. Their detail gets populated down at the bottom, and you would click on Delete. You sure you want to delete the user? Yes. And this user would be removed from that list. Therefore, they would no longer receive the content in the staging environment and now would become a live user if they are still around and would start receiving content when it has been promoted to live. To add a user as a staging user, could be yourself, it could be a temporary staging user that is required to approve a certain campaign. You would simply click on those three little dots. In the search for, you would just type in part of the person's name, click on Search, and then select that user from the list that you're presented with, and click on OK. You would then see the user's detail here. Click on Add. When it asks if you want to save, you say yes. And that user becomes a staging user. That is how you manage your staging users within CLA.